Hello everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming probably the most exciting video I've ever done on my channel. I am seriously so excited about this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the silver color I got and it's 128 gigs. This is gonna be a huge upgrade, you guys. Right now I currently have the iPhone 7 Plus, so I still have the home button. I don't have like any of the Face ID. I've had this phone since 2017, so like three and a half years. This is a huge upgrade. I'm so excited. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe and also thumbs up this video to let me know that you guys enjoyed it. But I'm so excited to open this, so let's hop into it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. A lot different than the other iPhone boxes. Normally they come like white. I don't know if the other ones came in black packaging, because like I said, I got this one, my other one, literally so long ago. So this is like the satisfying part everybody loves. Okay, here we go, and open this. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I got the silver one. Oh my god, it's so cold because it was like outside in the mailbox. Oh my god, it is really heavy. Okay, and then we're just gonna take this part off. Oh my gosh, it is so big and like so, oh my god, this is crazy. Like, I don't know if you guys can see like the difference. It is still like pretty thin, but it's a lot, I don't know, like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. I feel like it's so big. Because also like on this phone I have the like white part at the top still, whereas this one it's like completely glass. So yeah, like I said, it's the silver one and it's the 12 Pro Max, so it has the 3 cameras. I'm so excited about the cameras on this, you guys. Wow. Okay, so let's turn it on. I don't even know how to turn on. Maybe it's dead. Oh, it's turning on. Wow, this is like completely different than what I expected it to be like on the back. And it's like a lot more, it's like rounded. Interesting. Okay, so this is like the best part of setting up new Apple products, I swear, when it comes up like hello. Okay, so we're gonna swipe up and I'm just gonna go through the settings. So English, I'm from Canada. This is the part that I saw like a lot of other people do on their videos. So quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone. Okay, this would be amazing. Oh, I think I like just exited it. Whoa, okay, so it comes up on my old one. Set up new phone. So I want to unlock to continue. Hold your new iPhone camera up to the camera. Okay, so this phone comes with like this little, sorry, the reflection from the light, but this thing, and then with this phone you have to scan it. Okay, wow, this is really cool. Keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while your information is transferred, and then on this one it's just asking me to enter passcode of your other iPhone. Setting it up. I feel like this might take a while, so yeah, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So I'm just gonna put them next to each other. I'll come back to you guys when it is all activated and okay, so I think that it did it. It's now asking me to set up Face ID, and this is so cool because on my other phone I didn't have Face ID. Okay, so continue. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, the camera is crazy. The camera is insane, you guys, like insane. Okay, so it says Face ID setup. It says it's gonna take about 40 to 50 minutes to transfer all the data. So I'm gonna do that. So I guess this is gonna take a while. It says it's setting up my Apple ID. So I'll let it transfer, and I don't know how long it's gonna take. In a lot of the videos I watched, it didn't take 40 to 50 minutes. So it's now asking me for the terms and conditions. This is crazy, guys. Like I'm just like literally blown away by like the upgrade. Like this is a huge upgrade. I know people like upgraded from like the 11 12 Pro Max, and I'm like, I don't see what the difference is. Like Apple Pay, we'll do that later. Siri, no, I hate having Siri on my phone. Like, I don't know why, I just hate having it set up. Share iPhone analytics, yeah, sure, I'll share them. It says transferring data from Amy's iPhone, time remaining, and it's just like this little bar going across, so we'll see how long it takes. I'm so excited, you guys, like seriously, this is oh, it says 13 minutes. I seriously like can't get over this. Like, this is such a huge upgrade, like I said. Like, it's just, wow, this is so cool. And this is like a gorgeous phone, you guys, like literally gorgeous. Like the silver on the side with the like white silver part, and like, oh wow, I can't. It's taking about an hour now, so I guess while that is doing its thing, I can show you guys the case that I bought for my phone. So I got this off of Amazon. It's by the brand KW Mobile. Honestly, I just got this case because I ordered one off of Casetify. I don't know if it does it in the States too, or if it's just because I'm from Canada, but it literally takes like 26 days to ship Casetify cases. Like, I don't understand. So I ordered it when I ordered this phone, which was last week, and it said it was gonna come from February 8th until like February 25th. So I was like, okay, well obviously I'm gonna need a case on my phone for the time period. So yeah, I just went on Amazon. This one is, like I said, by the brand KW Mobile, and it's just this like really cute like pink pastel-y color. I think it will look really pretty on the phone. Protective. It honestly reminds me of my Apple case. Normally on my old phone, all I ever had was like Apple cases ever. Like I had like 3 white ones. I went through the pink ones. So yeah, this one was like $15 on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But like I said, it will be getting a Casetify case eventually. So yeah, it's still saying it's going to take about an hour to transfer everything. So I will check back in with you guys in a bit. Okay, so I am back. It took like 45-ish minutes. So basically it just looks like my old phone, and it says no SIM card because I have my SIM card behind me that I need to call to get it set up. Okay, so what is new from my perspective is like the whole swipe up. I wonder if it does Face ID. Like, I don't know how this works. So all of my apps are downloading. I'm gonna have to go through and customize everything and figure out the way I want it to look. I'm gonna do a what's on my iPhone video coming very soon, so make sure you're subscribed to see that. But I really want to see the camera. Okay, new quick take video. Tap and hold the shutter to record a quick video. This camera is crazy. Oh my god. This is like insane. I'm like, photos. Okay, so all of my photos are on here. Wow, this is perfect. Okay, and then all of my messages are here. This is so weird not having a home button. Oh my gosh. Okay. And my mail. I think all of my mail's here. This is so big seeing it like full screen. So yeah, that is basically the unboxing. I also just wanted to share with you guys super quick what comes in the box because I know that I didn't really mention that. So basically the new iPhone, I think it's just the 12s in general, they come with the lightning cord, not the cube, and this is a USB-C cord. So this goes directly into like the new MacBooks, because normally you have to buy like the new like adapter thing, but this goes directly into a MacBook. You can't plug this into like the cube right now, I don't think. Maybe you can. Like I said, I don't know a lot about this stuff, but I'm beyond excited to have this phone. I'm so grateful. I did buy this myself, if anybody is interested. But yeah, I'm going to be filming a what is on my iPhone video super soon, so stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are new. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You should have seen the way that you blew